Hey guys, this is Mona, your spiritual counselor and a healer, angel and crystal therapist, angel and tarot card reader. For more, आप मेरे FB पेज पे log in करें as Mona S. I heartily welcome you all to my channel where I keep sharing tips, tricks and remedies. Here I am today with Magic Money Reiki. Looking at the situation and the circumstances around, I know where jobs are not safe, finances are going low. कोरोना की वजह से काफ़ी अप्स एंड डाउन्स हो रही है, हेल्थ में हो रहा है, फिनांसेस में हो रहा है. सो मुझे लगा कि अब दिस इज़ द टाइम कि सबने मैजिक मनी रेकी ज़रूर सीखना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द वन हीलिंग थेरेपी जो आपके इन सारे इश्यूज से ऊपर उठने में मदद करेगा. जैसे आप सब जानते हो, रेकी अपने आप में ही बहुत पावरफुल है. रेकी हीलिंग्स बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल होती है. इट्स एन ऑल्टरनेट टच थेरेपी. And when it comes to the money reiki, so what happens is we completely focus onto the finances. And I call मेरे कोर्स के लिए मैं उनको बोलती हूँ मैजिक मनी कोर्स, just because a lot of my students has experienced it, the magic in their life, the magical restart in their life. I myself has experienced a lot of magics in my life after practicing money magic reiki. और मुझे अब लगा कि सबने, this is really a time जहाँ सबको मैजिक मनी रेकी सबने अगर प्रैक्टिस करें, so definitely this is going to help them a lot to bounce back into their life. So guys, जो मेरी कोर्स फी थी और अब जो कोर्स फी रहेगी, इतनी कम ये कभी नहीं होने वाली है. दिस इज ओनली एंड ओनली फॉर नाउ, एंड एट दिस रेट इट इज नॉट गोना कम अगेन. सो अभी का जो कोर्स का फी है वो है 2222. और वैसे ये कोर्स का फी है, if it is level 1 and level 2, it is 5555. Whereas if you wanted to do a masters in this, जहाँ पर आप भी लोगों को सिखा पाओगे, ग्रैंड मास्टरशिप, which cost you 7777. But guys, मैंने यही कोर्स इस सिचुएशन को देखती हुए मैंने इस कोर्स का फी जो है वो पूरी तरह से जितना हो सके मेरी तरफ से पूरी तरह से इसको कम किया है. एंड ये दिस विल बी, यू कैन से दिस फी इज नेवर गोना कम बैक. इतना कम ये कभी नहीं होने वाला है, विच इज 2222, विच इज एंजल एंड डिवाइन गाइडेंसेस टू मी. ऑलराइट गाइस, अब इस मनी रेकी में क्या हम करेंगे? मनी रेकी में we will be, there are a lot of students who comes to me from the prosperity workshop, from the abundance workshops. But guys, unless and until it's good, the prosperity and abundance workshops are good. I myself doing it very well. But when you wanted a particular thing, when we need your money, then connect with these energies. So in this workshop, what we are going to do it with, as we all know, I am the energy, you are the energy, crystal has energies, and this is the game of energies, right? So what we're going to do in this workshop is how money is an energy, and we will be connected with money in an energetic level. Apart from that, I'm going to give you some symbols, yeah? And these symbols will be like the clearing symbol, which is it clears the blockages of your life. It clears the negativity which is there in your money. Yeah. So The first symbol which I'll be giving you, a clearing symbol which removes the blockages from your life. See, like if we have 2 glasses of water, or let's take 1 glasses of water. In this glass of water, you know, the pani pura muddy ho chuka hai, and now if you are practicing any of the therapies, what will happen? जो भी अच्छा गया वो भी muddy हो जाएगा, right? But with the clearing symbol, with the clearing blockages symbol, what we're going to do is we will be completely empty this glass of dirty water. And when we empty this glass with that all muddy water, we will be cleansing it with the Reiki. So here we will consider like glass is we. We'll be cleansing ourselves completely here. Whatever the blockages, whatever is the negative energies, whatever, will be clearing it out from your business, from your job. Alright, and then I will be giving you the money Reiki symbols, which helps in attracting the money into your life. Alright guys, so मैं आज एक meditation आप सबके लिए लेकर आई हूँ, which will help you to connect with the money energies, and हो सकता है इसी meditation से आप आपकी life में abundance, prosperity नहीं, कुछ money भी attract करें. Alright, so for those of my students or या जिनका money Reiki हो चुका है, when I say 1, 2, 3, 4, they can use the money Reiki symbols that time. Or those who have not done the money Reiki and they are not aware या उनका attunement money Reiki symbols के साथ नहीं हुआ है, so what they will do is they will take the light, the shower of light, which I will be showering while the meditation goes on. To get into this meditation, आप मेरा next video देखें. It will be just after this, the money magic money Reiki course. For course details, this is the video, and for meditation you will see the another video. Okay guys, so see you on to the another video for the magic money meditation.